Hello YouTube, this is Aviation 94. This is a brand new YouTube account. This account will be dedicated to reviewing model aircraft and videos of aircraft taking off and doing flybys and all that. That was my first video. Figured I would show my little tiny collection. Keep reviewing my models later. I'll just point them all out. Let's see, right here, we've got my Gemini Jets C-32, otherwise known as Air Force 2, which is just a 757-200. This is my Boeing 787-8 Continental. This was before they went to United Airlines. This is my Alitalia Cargo MD-11F. This is my Gemini Jets 747-400F Evergreen International Cargo. This is Gemini Jet 777-300ER for Emirates livery. This is the A380-800 for the Emirates livery. This is an Aeroflot Antonov 124. And this is the world's largest aircraft, the Antonov AN-225. This is my Dragon Wings Accord Air Force Base C-17 Globemaster. I'm going to do a separate review on this later because I have not seen a single review of this on YouTube, so I figured out how to do it. This is the Gemini Jets C-17 from Marsh Air Force Base, California. This is the Gemini Jets C-17 from Dover Air Force Base, Delaware, which I go to frequently. This is a Dragon Wings C-5M Super Galaxy from Dover, Delaware. This is the very, very first one. You can tell by the classic yellow tail stripe for Dover. This is the Dragon Wings C-5B Galaxy from Dover, Delaware, with their new tail flash. Now this Air Force Base no longer has their C-5Bs. They traded them all up. They got them all refitted with the C-5Ms. So you're never going to see a plane with the Dover flash that has that distinctive TF-39 line anymore. This is the Gemini Jets C-5 Galaxy from Westover, Massachusetts. This is the Gemini Jets C-5 Galaxy from Travis Air Force Base in California. This is the Gemini Jets C-5M Super Galaxy from Dover, Delaware. Tail flash and the Super Galaxy flash on the bottom. This is the plane that you're going to be seeing at Dover from now on, is the C-5M and the C-17 Globemaster. And this is Gemini Max very first C-5 Galaxy, their Dover C-5 Galaxy from October 2010. My personal favorite. So that's my 400 scale collection. I'll be reviewing all of these. Got my Air Mobility Command posters, my favorite Air Mobility Command planes. Down here, I've got a collection of Takara Wings of the World 1/700 scale planes. Now they go all the way into the back. I might review all of these. There's just some miscellaneous 200 scale planes, some others in other scales. This is a 200 scale C-130 from Model Tower. This is a Testor's little cheap plastic B-2 Spirit. This is a Hogan Wings A380 800 in house colors. This is a Gemini 200 Air Tran 737 800 or 700. Star Lifter, C-141B Star Lifter in the European 1 camouflage scheme with its cargo bay door open and little toy bus. This is the C-141B Star Lifter with closed cargo doors, the little Humvee next to it. This is the Gemini 200 Charleston Air Force Base C-17 Globemaster with another little Humvee right next to it for size. Book about giant cargo planes because I love giant cargo planes, obviously. This is an old book from the 90s. Usually demands high prices on YouTube. It's hard to, on eBay, it's hard to find. YouTube. And crossbow. This is for all of you, this goes off topic, but this is for all of you Transformers nerds out there like myself. I've got a collection of 80s Transformers. I've got G1 Shrax, G1 Hoist, G1 Red Alert, G1 Inferno, G1 Prowl, G1 Wheeljack, G1 Ratchet, G1 Skids, and I got G1 Optimus with the G2 trailer. I've got the reissue for Soundwave, I've got the reissue for Megatron, I've got the G1 Shockwave right there, it's kind of hard to see. I've got Perceptor and a few others in the back, but I might review those later. And I've got the G1 reissue down there for Skywarp and Thundercracker, and there's all my pieces for it. So I might do my Transformers reviews. There's a box, I got an Alternity Bumblebee. I got the box for the Japanese reissue Ratchet. And I got a couple alternators boxes back there, and I got a knockoff collection of Destructicon. Not really. I've got Model Power 1/400 scale Aviation IL-76. The Cubana color scheme. I've got Dragon Wings 400 scale Z5B Galaxy in the uniform, the European camouflage color scheme from Travis Air Force Base. C5A Galaxy from Dragon Wings for Dover Air Force Base, and a Dragon Wing C5A Galaxy for Seward Air Force Base. And a little postcard in the back for C5 Galaxy from Dover, Delaware, where I go all the time. I've got a giant mahogany C5A Galaxy from Dover. I've got a Herpa Antonov 225 in the 500 scale. Looks like my 400 scale one over there. Both from Herpa. More Transformers, a Masterpiece Starscream and a Masterpiece Skywarp, which I love the jet mode in this. And up here I just got a 148 C-130 model, but my mother knocked it down and broke it. She angered me. And I've got a mahogany C-124 Globemaster 2. I bought that at the Dover AMC Museum in the gift shop. So, all in all, that's mostly my model aircraft collection and a few Transformers for lucky Transformers nerds out there. And yeah, I'll be reviewing most of these as I go, so hopefully that'll be soon. See ya.